everybody, it's Miss Johnson here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In honor of Easter happening on Sunday, I decided to do some Easter crafts. We're going to do Easter teepee crafts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bunny, some chicks, some baskets, and a flower. So you can do all of them if you have 4 rolls of toilet paper, or you can just choose one. Watch this video and follow along. Here we go. Alright, like I say in every video, first thing that we need to do is gather our materials. So I have 4 rolls of TP because we're making 4 different things today in this video. All you need is 1 roll of toilet paper. I'm doing toilet paper crafts because we're all kind of stuck at home right now, and rather than being able to go out and buy things, I'm using stuff with what we have. So hopefully you have an extra roll around here that you can just go grab and use to craft. Some other things you're going to need is paint. I have a blue paint, red paint, yellow, white, and brown paint. So I'm going to be using these paints and mixing them together to make good colors. So you're going to need paint, then you're going to need a paintbrush. You will need scissors, a Sharpie. I recommend maybe using some crayons. Glue, I recommend kind of the Elmer's glue because it'll help things stay a little bit more. And I have some ribbon if you need that. And last thing that I need to go grab is paper. So I'm going to go grab that right now. Okay, now I have my paper. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this stuff and I'm really going to set it off to the side. What we need to do right now is mix our paints together and get ready to paint our toilet paper. Okay, I'm going to start this video off by doing the first toilet paper craft, which is making a bunny. So I only need 1 roll of toilet paper. I'm actually going to grab a paper plate as well, and I'm going to start mixing paint. So what you have to decide is what color you want your bunny to be. I'm thinking of a pink bunny, so I'm going to make the color pink. You can do whatever color you want. Try and do some more Easter colors, so some lighter colors, white, yellow, light green, pink, light blue, purple, items like that. So I'm going to make pink. So all I need to do is just take a little bit of red and some white, and then I'm going to mix it together. So what I've done is I've put those paints side by side, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding in the red to the red into the white to make kind of that pink color. Okay, so kind of just whatever you want. I'm going to make a pink bunny because I think that'll be cute and Eastery, okay? So then after you're done doing that, all you have to do is just paint the whole toilet paper roll. So we're going to do this first because this will kind of be the part that we'll have to wait the longest to do, because then we'll have to wait for it to dry. So you're just going to paint your toilet paper roll. Let it dry. So make sure that you kind of got all the parts, that it's nice and covered. Okay, so now that I've painted my toilet paper roll and it's all dry, now we're gonna finish making our bunny. So my pink one is my bunny, and now what we need to do is you make the ears. We're actually gonna make the ears from the toilet paper roll. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of flatten it out a little bit, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut off a little bit of the toilet paper roll. You're actually going to cut off 2 of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut about to right there, and I'm just going to chop it off. So your toilet paper roll is going to kind of fold. That's okay, it'll fix back up. It's kind of hard to cut because of the paint, so just try your best. And like that. So you just cut off a piece, and it looks like that. You're going to do that twice. Okay, once you are done, you are going to have 2 little pieces like this. So these are going to actually be the ears, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to glue or tape them together. They're actually going to hang out in your toilet paper roll like this. So maybe what we'll do is we will glue them together kind of in the middle right here. And then we'll glue them in like that. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them together. So I'm going to take my Elmer's glue. I'm going to dab it onto one of the sides, and I'm going to dab it about right here, okay? Just a little bit of glue, and then I'm going to take the other one, and I'm going to glue them together. So now it's going to take a little while for your Elmer's glue to dry. That's okay. So just kind of hold it together like this. I'm kind of doing it in the middle like that. Glue them together. Okay, so I just stuck the glue down right there, and I kind of put the ends together like this to make the little bunny ear part. Okay, so it's just kind of drying right now, so you kind of just have to be a little bit patient. And then what you'll do is you'll stick your ears inside the toilet paper roll, and that'll be the ears. So then what you're going to want to do is kind of squish your toilet paper roll in a little bit, and then we're going to add some glue. So on either side of your toilet paper roll, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dollop of glue on either side to kind of hold down my bunny ears so they don't go flopping away. I'll rest the bunny ears right there. Oops. And I will glue them in. Put your bunny ears inside, and then start kind of pressing on the outside so as it to glue down. And this is kind of a time where you're going to want to just let it dry for a little while. Okay, now my bunny ears are all nice and done, but I'm going to add a little bit to my bunny. So I went to my bathroom and I found some cotton balls. So I'm going to take a cotton ball and I'm going to actually glue it on the back and add a little fluffy bunny tail to make it look cute. So I'm just going to use my Elmer's glue and put a dab on there. And then I'm just going to glue it on. So when I glue it on, I want to make sure that it can rest. And I'll just kind of blot around to make sure the glue's all good. And I'll actually probably set it like this to let it dry up. Alright, so my bunny is done. It has its little tail, it has its ears. Now all I'm going to do is do the face. So I'm just going to use a black Sharpie and I'm going to draw on a face. I have drawn a couple different types of faces that you can do for your bunny. So I'll post that and I'm going to draw it on right now. Let's go. So I'm actually going to use pencil and I'm going to draw it on with pencil first. Okay, after I do my pencil, now I'm just going to do my Sharpie. Alright, there's my little bunny face. Alright, there's our bunny.